at mixer also, through mixer also it is possible to have our juices, but the best way is we should have juicers. The carrot juices you might have seen, actually I have shown here. Okay, the carrot juicers you might have seen, they are of aluminum body juicers are there, like this. So these juicers, if we have, generally what happens, the people actually like this program too much. They start with the help of mixer, but it requires a lot of labor, that filter, to filter it and this and that and that and that, but with juicer we can very nicely make these juices within 5 to 10 minutes. I'm giving options to my readers. In a number of places my lectures are taking place. So people in my rural area are telling me that whatever you are actually delivering, whatever ideas you are actually giving, they are only for the rich people. What about the poor? What about the poor? So I found a best way, even for poor also, or for anybody, that my second book is going to come is Jai Shwambhu. Jai Shwambhu. I think most of, whether you know or don't know the meaning of Shwambhu, Shwambhu is our own urine. That is the best medicine God created in our own body. That is one way.
What is that?
Pardon?
Own urine.
Okay, so that is one way. The second way also I have told you, that is the natural diet system. But here also people are telling that we don't have that much time actually to devote for this juice system. And we cannot actually do that much efforts and that much labor whatever I did myself. So you please show us a shortcut, super shortcut. So I was in search of a super shortcut. I myself actually went through a lot of systems. Aloe vera, I tried, I disliked. Nutrimax, I tried, I disliked. Amway, I tried. But I have to give to people. My aim behind that, my aim was that people are expecting to get something from me. And I found a way. Out of that is the herbal life. Herbal life. Herbal life actually it's not a medicine. It's not a medicine, it's the actually food. A proper food which is deprived of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Means all these things are not at all there. And it contains all trace elements, whatever required, all types of vitamins, all types of minerals and a lot of things. I actually witnessed a number of people who got benefited through it. Those who are actually having interested in maintaining their health, and if they don't have time but they are having money, they may only afford because that is the costlier path. I already told you the easiest and the cheapest path, that is Jai Shwambhu. The between path, that is natural diet system, and last one, herbal life. So in this way I request you all to follow me. Actually, when I had been a child, tea pouches used to be freely distributed in my child, and then once we became the habitual of having tea, then there is no way out. So in that way, these foreigners or these English people, they made us habituated of tea. In the same manner, I want to make my Indians habituated of having natural diet system, and want to see everybody much healthy and happy in their life. Just a minute. I really thank you all. You listen me very quietly. My English is not that much good, and this help actually, when I approached, they gave me the opportunity to come and share my subject with you. You may call me at any place throughout Maharashtra. I am going on my own expense. I am not at all I am a retired divisional engineer from BSNL. I am already getting 15,000 as my pension. I am not interested only in money. I want to spread this awareness in the society, because there are the devils like that Munir Khan. Munir Khan like devils are there who are actually looting to Indians, and unnecessarily these simple Indians are dying, losing their money in each and everything. So in this way, please help me to spare this subject among our society. And whatever the book